Let's talk about the presence in the funerary stelas of the mirror and the comb. Mirror and the comb are funerary presents for the mater who is coming to pick up the soul of the king. The mora comes for the king, for the soul of the king, after undergoing a test. Let's see the test. In Contos de Trasancos by Eva Merlan, this is a tale of La Pena Molestia. A mora, always dressed in rich clothes, combing her hair with a golden comb, exhibits in Midsummer Night a treasure. The mora often appears to the young men who pass by the Pena Molestia that night to ask them to choose between her and an object of a fabulous treasure. And when the young man chooses the large, heavy piece of gold, the woman disappears and the object chosen turns into coal or into broken pots. That's the story.